Welcome to 5D Tutor Black Adam. We have quadratic series, quadratic sequence. We're given the values 14, 9, 6 and 5. 14, 9, 6 and 5. And okay, so 9 minus 14 is negative 5. 6 minus 9 is negative 3. 5 minus 6 is negative 1. And then negative 3 minus 5, negative 5 is 2. And that also gives us 2. So we've got 14, negative 5 and 2. So 14 is equivalent to a plus b plus c. 5 is 3a plus b, negative 5. And then 2 is equivalent to 2a. So that's 2a formula. So let's take 2a is equals to 2 for our second difference. 2a is equals to 2, so a is going to be 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1. And then we have that one, 3a plus b. So 3a plus b is going to be negative 5, and then a is 1, and then solving for b is going to be negative 5, negative 3, which is negative 8. And then we're coming to a plus b plus c is going to be 14. So we have a plus b plus c is going to be 14, and then we know that a is 1, b is negative 8, plus c is equals to 14, and c is going to be 21. So that's our value for c. And now Tn is going to be an squared plus bn plus c, and we know that our a is 1, and then b is negative 8 and our c is 21. So we've proven that the equation is equivalent to the one that we're supposed to prove. Two consecutive terms, quadratic sequence, calculate the value of the larger term. So two consecutive sequences difference, we need to get the sequence on the first difference, the first d. So that's going to be first difference is negative 5, negative 3 and negative 1. And then we need to find the equation for that arithmetic sequence. Is a plus it's going to be a plus n minus 1 multiplied by common difference d. So that means our a is negative 5, our common difference is negative 3. Negative 3 minus negative 5 giving us 2. So we can write the equation now. That will be the nth term is going to be a is negative 5 plus bracket n minus 1 multiplied by 2. So that gives us negative 5 2n minus 2 simplified to 2n negative 7. So that's our equation. So Tn is equals to 2n negative 7. That's the difference of the term, so that will give us 33, the difference. So solving for n, 2n is going to be 33 minus 33 plus 7. So n is going to be 33 plus 7 is 40. So it's 40 divided by 2, that's 20. And then from there we have bigger term. So bigger term there is going to be 20 plus 1. So that's how we're going to do. So don't forget to subscribe as we continue. So Tn is going to be, we have the equation. Let's just look at the equation. Okay, so it's n squared minus 8n plus 21. So we know that we need to find term 21. So that's going to be 21 squared minus 8 bracket 21 plus 21. That will give us, using a calculator, punching it as it is, the calculator will be able to calculate everything at once. That's 294. We can recalculate it for confirmation. 294, and that's our value. So the bigger number is 214, and then the value of m added to the number and giving it negative between term 1 and 7. So we have term 5 is 5 squared. Okay, 5 squared minus 8 multiplied by 5 plus minus plus 21. Okay, using that equation there, that will give us 6, and then t6, doing the same thing, 6 squared minus 8 multiplied by is it 5 or 6? Suppose it's 6 there. To give us 9, and then 8 multiplied by 7 is 21, giving us 14. So our values there, we have 14, 9, 6 and 5, and then that's 14, 9, 6 and 5. For T6, remember that you should put 6 all over. So that's going to be 14, and then there we're going to look at, let's just do 14 plus m is less than 0, so m is going to be less than 14, negative 14. So that's the smallest value. The biggest value we look at, the biggest number there, remember it's negative value, so m is going to be less than negative 5. Then from there, that's the biggest one. So coming from the biggest value, that's going to be negative 4 minus m minus 5 and all of that. Yeah, so that's what our final answer is. So negative 4 minus m less than negative 5. Thank you so much for watching, and this is your tutor Black Adam, and you have to subscribe to show support if you're interested for some of more of this in the future. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Much appreciated. Any comments?